Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Paramount Plus subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your account is properly managed and no further charges occur. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the Paramount Plus website. Log in using the email address and password associated with your subscription account. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and select Account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Scroll down to the Subscription or Billing Information section, where you can view your current plan details and payment method. Step 4. Look for the Cancel Subscription button or link. Click on it to initiate the cancellation process. Step 5. Paramount Plus may ask you to provide a reason for canceling. Select an appropriate option from the list, or skip this step if it's optional. Step 6. Review any retention offers that Paramount Plus might present, such as discounted rates or pause options. If you still want to cancel, click Continue or Confirm Cancellation. Step 7. Follow all remaining prompts to finalize the cancellation. Note that you'll typically have access to Paramount Plus content until the end of your current billing period. Step 8. Check your email for a confirmation message from Paramount Plus, verifying that your subscription has been canceled. Save this email for your records in case of any billing disputes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.